Hey guys, so today's video is all about a Greek goddess. Look, I hope you like my hair. I feel like Belle right now. So today's is the second installment of my History of Makeup series. I hope that you guys enjoyed the Egyptian look from last week. And the Egyptian look from last week was so fun, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm doing these videos kind of randomly. I'm not filming them in order. So you can tell the video for next week, which you will see a promo for at the end of this video. The video from next week got me a little blushed up. My cheeks are a little stained from that look. But before we get started, please make sure and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a full History of Makeup series until the end of the year, hopefully. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure and hit that subscribe button. Go like me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. So I've already primed my face, but I'm going to mix together the two e.l.f. Gonna mix together two e.l.f. foundations, one in the color Natural and one in the color Nude, to give me a little bit of a tan, because your girl is pale. So let's mix these together and see how they look. Okay, I can handle that. I put 2 pumps of the Nude and 1 pump of the Natural together. Right, let's blend. All right, do I look tan? No, not really. Didn't think so. Okay, so I don't have any like darker color concealer, so we're going to try the Makeup Revolution C1 concealer, and I might have to add in some of the darker foundation just to see. Let's just see. Let's see how this goes. All right. That's not bad. Okay, I can handle that. Okay, now, oh, my hair's itching. Now we're gonna take the NYX Wonder Stick and contour our cheeks, our nose, our forehead, our chin, jawline. Gonna just contour everything. Alright, now I'm going to take the Maybelline loose powder, shine free powder, and just dab that all over my face real well. Just make sure all the creams are staying where I want them to. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the Butter Bronzer. We're going to be using a couple of different bronzers today, just because, you know, I'm never tan. So, these first 2 videos when I'm tan, I gotta tan it up. Now I'm going to go into the, where is that palette at? The Benefit Pretty in the USA palette, and I'm going to be using the Hoola Bronzer. Oh, there we go. Cover up a little bit of that blush that has stained to my cheeks. Now we're gonna go to the eyebrows. So I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit. Whoa. So I'm going to just fluff them out a bit and fill them in. The Greeks were so not as crazy about their brows as the Egyptians were, so I am just going to keep my natural brow shape today. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35V palette today. Alright, so first off I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go into Go Nude and put that all over my lid. Next I'm going to take a small detail brush. This is the Morphe 514 brush, and I'm going to go into color Scandal. Going to color Scandal, and I'm just going to map out my crease with that darker nude shade. Alright, I'm going to keep the same brush and I'm going to go into color Vixen. I'm just going a little darker and a little darker the further I go back. Right, and now we're going to deepen it up a bit. I'm using this round tipped brush, and I'm going to start going into In the Zone, which is a deeper brown shade in this palette. And I'm really going to focus that on the outer corners of my eye. Not bringing it in, just focusing it on the outer parts. Black book, like a small amount of little black book. And focus that on the very outer section. You can tell I'm just kind of tapping it. I'm not even like spreading it out a lot, because whenever I mix it together with the other color, it'll blend back in. Okay, this color, or this brush with In the Zone and Vixen, and blending that black out and up. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. shadow brush, spritz it with a little bit of Matte Fix Plus, and we're going to go into French Kiss. And put that right on our lid. Alright, and then I'm going to take my finger and go into Shameless, which is right above it. It's a little bit of a lighter shade, and dot that right in the middle of my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Smudger brush and go into Knockout. And I'm actually going to spritz that as well, so it's really bright in my inner corner. Oh yeah. There we go. And I'm also going to mix First Date and Knockout and put that underneath my brow. I'm going to take the e.l.f. contouring brush, go into Scandal first, and do basically the same thing that I did on my top lid. Go step by step so they all blend together beautifully. So, done with that palette. Now we're going to go to liner. I'm using, of course, where'd it go? NYX Epic Liner Pencil. And I'm going to make a huge wing on my eye. And before we put mascara and lashes on, I'm going to be using the Stila, what is this even called? Stila Glitter in color Kitten. The Morphe 433 point detail brush. Put that on the back right there. So now that that's done, I'm also going to do like 3 little dots on the bottom lash line. Now that I've gone glitter crazy, let's move on. All right, mascara. We are going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. All right, now I'm going to be using the Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Virgin on my lips, just to give them a nude look. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Stuff X highlighting palette. Look at how pretty. And we're mainly going to be using these the two goldy shades. So I'm going to spritz my brush. This is the this is the Morphe 510 brush, and I'm spritzing it with the MAC Fix Plus. We're just going to dip those in there very generously and highlight our cheekbones. Ooh. Our nose, forehead. I should have done my Cupid's bow first, but I didn't do it. All right, we're going to spray our face with the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. Ooh. Now for accessories. So I got this at Party City and it looks very fake, so we're going to fix it up a bit. Let me back you up so you can see. So I bought this at Party City and we're going to fix it up a bit so it doesn't look so fake. So I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and a detail brush, and I'm going to go into that black shade and we're just going to darken the insides of the leaves up a bit. There we go. All right, so
One hour later.
History of Makeup series. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Greek goddess tutorial. I tried to make it pretty simple and pretty down to earth as a Greek goddess could be. Yeah. But I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and hit the notification bell so that way you are notified every single time I upload a video in this series. And I will see you guys next Thursday at 10 a.m.